There's many ways to enjoy layer cake. A spoon, a fork, and now, a lighter.
Layer cake is an indica-dominant hybrid that's a cross between GMO and wedding cake.
This strain is perfect for making you feel calm and collected while keeping any chronic pain at bay.
This cake isn't served in a dish, it's served in a bowl.
Layer cake has a variety of benefits. Some of the things that I like about it is it keeps me grounded and relaxed, meaning smoking it too much doesn't make me feel or act out of the ordinary. It's very good for social engagements where you might have a little bit of stress and or anxiety. It's also good for muting and defeating all sorts of back or chronic pains, giving you space to enjoy your evening. With the evening in mind, layer cake is best served as a dessert, so I'd probably recommend it after a long workday or maybe before or after dinner, depending on how you roll.
In my experience, layer cake's been a phenomenal indica. Not only does it immediately wash away my anxieties and soothe me on a mental level, but as someone who struggles with eating regularly, a tasty slice of layer cake always rekindles my appetite.
All in all, layer cake is a sweet, delicious slice of relaxation, best served after a long day.
Or a longer meal with one of those problematic relatives.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to stay social.